Hi Narin, thank you very much for your submission for Island 1. I hope you enjoyed the work. Now, on this island, you have learned quite a few new things, I think. You have looked at the word order of questions, WH question words. We even looked at ice hockey. I don't know if you've ever played ice hockey, but I hope you enjoyed reading about it. We looked at the present simple tense, and we looked at frequency adverbs and frequency phrases. Now, the writing mission was very interesting. We asked you to imagine you're a journalist and you're going to interview someone. And we suggested you could interview a friend or a member of your family. We asked you to write down 5 questions and write down their answers. Let's take a look at your work. Question number 1. You asked, where do you live? Excellent question. I love that question. You have included a WH question word, the auxiliary verb, the subject, and the main verb. Now I see your friend's answer is, I am live in Seoul. Be very careful. When we talk about where we live, we do not need am. Okay? I live in Seoul is the correct answer. Now, question number 2. What is your job? Once again, fantastic question. You have included the same elements as we discussed in question 1. Question word, auxiliary, subject, and main verb. Now, I notice your friend is a teacher. I don't know if your friend is an English teacher, but so far the work is very good. Question number 3. What time do you start work? I think that is a great question. Again, you have included all the elements of question words that we have been talking about. Now, I noticed your friend's answer is, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. That's fine. That's not a problem. That your friend could have said, I work at 9 o'clock in the morning, but it's is a good answer also. Now, question number 4. How many times do you go to travel? Now, this is a very good question, but I think you have to look at your use of the word travel. Okay? How many times do you travel? Or, how many times do you go on holiday? Okay? And your friend answered, I go to travel 4 times a year. So maybe that's on holiday and maybe that's for business. Now, question number 5. You asked, what's the favorite country to visit? Now, let's look at this question. I think you want to say, what's your favorite country? And instead of T-O-O, we just have to say T-O. What's your favorite country to visit? And I see your friend's favorite country is Guam. Now, I've never been to Guam, but I've heard it's a beautiful place. So, Narin, thank you very much for your submission. I really enjoyed it. I think you've done some great work. Now, if you go to island number 2, I will see you again in the future. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.